Hello everyone, I am Walt, and today we are here with principle number 54. 54 here in the Enlightened Life series. Of course, here 101 ways to be happy on a daily basis. Awesome life hack series. You can check out their website and stuff in the description and whatnot. Anywho, let's dive on into this principle 54, which is the principle basically that I would say is just labeled as go slow. So what do they mean by this? What is this whole go slow thing about? Why are we talking about going things slowly, How is this going to make us feel happy on a daily basis? Well, a lot of people like to rush things in life. A lot of people think, okay, the only way I'm going to achieve anything is if we go fast. We got to do this fast. We got to get this thing, and we got to get 100 million accomplishments done today. I got to figure out everything. I got to know this. I got to know that. I got to know it, forward, backwards, sideways. I got to have this, and I got to have that. And people basically set up things with these impossible expectations. They're just like, okay, I got to have this achievement in this period of time, and I got to have this thing done by now. I got to do this, and I got to do that. And the problem with doing things quickly, with saying, okay, I got to do it fast, is simply the fact that when you try to do things fast, okay, you're going to accomplish a lot less because you're setting yourself up for an expectation fall, okay? Because when you expect something big, which is basically what the whole thing about going fast is, oh, I expect that I'll have this mastered by the end of today. I'm going to write my book by the end of next week. I'm going to have this over here. When people expect things fast, it's really painful when you don't get them. And then it's also really hard to feel like you're accomplishing something, because it's like the person who goes to the gym and they say, okay, I know that if I worked out 5 minutes a day, I could be in shape in 6 months. So I'm going to work out instead 5 hours a day, and I'll be in shape by next week. And so the thing is, when you go at it hard and really fast, it's something the body and the mind can't really adapt to very quickly. It's something where you're going to feel so much resistance from the subconscious mind. The subconscious mind's so strong, and it's going to stop you from really having that level of success that you desire. So going slowly will make you feel happy because you don't need specific expectations. You just need to say, you know what, I expect I'll be able to do something here, and I'm going to try this out. And you don't really get so involved emotionally in it. You don't say, okay, it has to be this, it has to do this, and you don't have as much perfectionism, you don't have as much of this and that, you don't have all these kind of problems really occur with it. So I would say that that's the biggie that you can really take away from this one, is just to say, you know what, we can go slowly, we can take things slowly, and we can make them work, and really this will pan out well in the long run if we just don't rush everything and just take our time with stuff, because when you go slowly, you'll be able to finish things faster in the end. I always find this to be the case with cross country as well. Back when I ran cross country in high school and middle school, I just had this experience where I know all these people who start out of the gate really fast, and they just take off, and they're like, I'm the rabbit here, I'm going to sprint, I'm going to get ahead of everybody, I'm going to win this. That was never me. I always started off very slowly, because I knew the slower I was going to start this thing, the faster I was going to finish it, because I could pass all these losers later on when they ran out of energy. And I would rather have all my energy to, speed up at the end than to rabbit at the beginning, because then I'm going to be weak throughout the whole race and stuff. Instead, I like to be strong through the whole race, taking it easy up until the point when I need to speed up. So I think that that's really the way that you want to live life to a large degree, is to say, you know what, I can conserve my energy, I can take things easy. And also you feel a greater sense of accomplishment, because when you have success, you're like, hey, look, you know what, I succeeded at this, yay, 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 yay. And then, you get to succeed some more. It's a stepping stone that really gets you to feel like you're accomplishing something, versus if you try to go at things really fast, and then you feel like, oh no, I'm not accomplishing anything, and that's when you give up, because you need an incentive to continue, and this will give one to you. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. I am Walt. Check out my books that I have personally written for Amazon, and of course, some of my other self-help materials I would recommend from Amazon and other authors and stuff like that. Otherwise, just stick around on this channel, check out the other videos and whatnot, and I will see you guys next time with the next video. So, stay tuned. I'll see you then.